On today's episode of America's Top Trial Lawyers, you'll get a chance to meet Eric Fong.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Since 1996, Eric Fong has been serving his clients with passion and a dedication for a more just society. He is driven by an anger about the insurance industry and corporate greed that seems to reign supreme, instead of an honest outlook geared toward helping those that they promise to help. Eric helps people from all walks of life, whether it's personal injury cases or criminal law, and his experience as a public defender gives him special insight into the human condition. Eric has been both a student of and a member of the faculty of the Gerry Spence Trial Lawyer College and gives back to his community on a regular basis. And now, Eric Fong. Eric, thanks for joining us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Well, Eric, I know you two have been both a student and a faculty member at the Gerry Spence Trial Lawyer College. Tell us about that and how it's impacted your ability to serve your clients.
Well, first off, Gerry Spence is a beautiful human being who is probably, along with Clarence Darrow, the most legendary trial lawyer in the history. And he has a certain magic to him and charisma that can only come from certain people like that. But what Gerry did that is so different is that he took this incredible wealth of knowledge that he's acquired through his life, and he's just giving it away to people like me to learn it. He literally is passing on this gift that he has acquired through his life and giving it on to others. And it's a beautiful thing, because it'd be like as if Michael Jordan could teach a young kid how to play basketball like that or what have you. And as lawyers, it's not like you have to have this athleticism that makes Michael Jordan different. We all have the same brain that's huge. And I think studies show that we use like 10% of it. Mm-hmm. And if you want to learn, if you want to look at people, if you want to read, and you want to make that effort to learn, you can acquire some of this stuff. And Gerry he's putting it out there for folks to learn. And so yeah, I've been extremely lucky to be a student and then teaching. I'm leaving tomorrow to go teach.
Are you?
Program, yeah.
Wow. Well, how has being involved with the Trial Lawyer College not only impacted your life, but the lives of others, including your clients?
In some ways, that's a hard question to answer, because the impact is really profound. I think that, first and foremost, what it did, we go through life and we put up these shields and barriers to protect ourselves from a lot of the stuff that goes on around us. We numb ourselves.
Yeah.
And what the Trial Lawyers College teaches, what Gerry teaches, is that, before you can do anything in life, you got to be real to yourself. Before you can be real to someone else, you got to be real to and true to yourself. And you got to put down these guards, these inhibitions, and free yourself to talk about the things that normally you'd be afraid to talk about, that you'd be embarrassed to talk about, that you're ashamed to talk about. Well, that's you. That's who I am, and to be given the confidence, or to be shown that to be real and to talk about these hard things actually allows us to flourish and bloom, was incredibly liberating. And I don't know if that made sense or that explained it well, but that's first and foremost the biggest gift I've received, and it goes far beyond the legal profession. It's personal as well.
Well, thanks so much for being with us today and sharing your story about your experience at the Trial Lawyer College. We'll be sure to put links to the Trial Lawyer College below this video on YouTube. Thanks again.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.